Hi folks, Jason at Leisure Time Sales with a look at a 2022 Transcend 240 ML. Beautiful 26 foot trailer. Come on in and see us and we'll give you some specifics on the details. But this one, again, a mid-sized trailer, so you're able to tow this if you are looking to travel. You're also able to set this up on a nice seasonal lot because, as you'll see when we go inside, there's some great space. Love these mid-sized campers. It gives you that hybrid model depending on what your camping situation is, what you want to do to enjoy yourself and your investment in camping. So we've got a nice solid state step to get in. As we walk through, we'll see some storage here. Just as we enter the camper, you've got a little ledge there to store a few things on, but you can get things tucked away. You don't want to leave everything lying around, your keys, hats, shoes, that sort of thing. There's a spot to tuck everything. And then stepping back, spin around to the other side, you've got a couple of drawers and some mirror front cabinets there as well. Check your hair before you go out for the day. Well, I guess not in my case. Stepping back to take a look at the kitchen. See some great storage options, high-rise faucet, everything's nice and tucked in. You've got all kinds of cabinetry above. And then your kitchen repeats itself, a little bit more space used up here on the slide for that, just more storage. 3-burner cooktop, Furion oven, and a Furion microwave with storage on either side. The rest of the slide has your 12-volt fridge and your side-by-side entertainment chairs, which are directly across from the drop-down dinette. And there's your TV and entertainment center all set up and ready to go. So a great space to sit and enjoy some time with friends and family. You see that nice big slide opens up all kinds of floor space. Stepping up to the front of the camper, we've popped this open so you can see there is some underbed storage. Of course, on a gas strut to hold that up, but nice and clean area there to set a few things up. We'll close that up and give you a look at the bed set up properly. You've got shirt closets on either side, opposing windows, spot for a TV, and a really nice layout to the bedroom. You've got USB ports on either side as well as standard chargers. Let's finish things up by heading right up to the front. Check out the kitchen. And you've got the washroom area here in the corner as well. Good sized shower with a skylight. Sink over top. You've got a medicine cabinet. And you've got linen storage there just off to the left, and a foot flush toilet to round things out. Come on in and see us, folks. We have all kinds of options for you, both new and pre-owned. This one, a 2022 Grand Design Transcend Explorer 240 ML on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis.